These large-scale ranches operate like fiber farms, producing thousands of kilograms of raw Angora wool. Precision shearing units remove the fully grown coats in seconds. Powerful vacuum lines immediately collect the loose Angora fiber for continuous processing. High-speed pneumatic lines transport the harvested fiber overhead. Cyclone separators gather the wool continuously. Breaker rollers gently separate the thick wool layers into lighter strands. This prepares the fiber for smooth, continuous feeding into high-speed spinning systems. Automated trimmers remove loose threads and surface lint precisely. Each piece leaves this line clean, refined, and ready for final inspection.
Shoppers examine the texture, softness, and craftsmanship up close. The premium feel instantly reflects the precision of the factory process.
Every strand of luxury Angora wool begins here, at the source, on vast rabbit farms, where
across these massive open fields, the rabbits grow their coats continuously, producing one of the softest natural fibers on Earth.
unlike synthetic fibers, Angora wool forms naturally on the animal itself, growing longer and denser with each passing week.
These large-scale ranches operate like fiber farms, producing thousands of kilograms of raw Angora wool.
At full growth, the fiber reaches peak thickness and softness. Raw Angora wool in its purest, unprocessed.
Once the coats reach optimal density, large-scale collection begins, and transport fleets arrive to move the raw fiber supply.
Specially designed collection lanes guide the animals efficiently, allowing thousands to be gathered simultaneously for large-scale fiber harvesting and transport. High-capacity transport modules are filled in batches, enabling thousands of animals to be moved at once towards centralized industrial facilities.
From the ranches, bulk transport fleets carry the raw fibers across long distances, supplying the massive factory.
Inside this vast receiving hall, thousands of Angora rabbits are unloaded at once.
Before fiber collection begins, the animals move through climate-controlled lanes. This stabilizes conditions, ensuring clean sleep.
Automated grooming systems loosen and ally the dent Angora coats. For efficient, high
Precision shearing units remove the fully grown coats in seconds. Powerful vacuum lines immediately collect the loose Angora fiber for continuous processing.
High-speed pneumatic lines transport the harvested fiber overhead. Cyclone separators gather the wool continuously.
compressed fiber enters industrial opening drums that separate every clump. The wool is fluffed and expanded.
Industrial screens and air classifiers remove dust and debris at high speed. Only clean, light.
Next, the fiber passes through industrial washing tanks filled with heat water. This stage removes natural oil.
Centrifugal extractors remove excess moisture within seconds. Heated airflow tunnels then dry the Angora component. Inside these enormous carding systems, millions of teeth comb every strand. The fibers are aligned into
Layering machines stack the aligned wool into thick, even sheets. This creates uniform density, essential for
Breaker rollers gently separate the thick wool layers into lighter strands. This prepares the fiber for smooth, continuous feeding into high-speed spinning systems. Draw frames stretch and blend the soft Angora slivers together. The fibers become uniform, balanced, and ready for consistent industrial spinning. Feed frames add a light twist, forming strong, continuous roving strands. These intermediate spools feed directly into the next high-speed spinning stage. Thousands of spindles twist the roving into fine Angora yarn. Continuous spinning transforms loose fiber into strong, consistent industrial thread.
Automatic winders transfer the yarn onto high-capacity cones with precision. This stage prepares uniform packaging.
Optical sensors scan every meter of yarn for thickness and flaws. Only perfectly uniform thread moves ahead into the next production stage. Thousands of threads unwind together and align into one massive sheet. The warp beam forms the foundation for large-scale automated fabric weaving.
High-speed airjet looms interlace the yarns into continuous fabric sheets. Soft Angora thread transforms rapidly into wide rolls of woven textile.
Freshly woven fabric enters steam chambers to relate and stabilize. Controlled heat sets the structure.
Continuous washing lines cleanse the woven fabric of oils and residues. Industrial scouring ensures purity, softness, and
High-pressure rollers remove excess water from the saturated textile. Heated air towers dry the fabric quickly, restoring its light, soft structure.
rotating brushes lift the surface fibers to create a soft nap. This process gives Angora fabric its signature warmth and luxurious texture.
Precision shearing trims the raised fibers to a perfectly even height. The surface becomes smooth, consistent, and ready for advanced finishing treatments.
Sealed dyeing vessels immerse the fabric in heated, pressurized color baths. The fibers absorb dye deep.
Rinsing lines flush away residual dye and treatment chemicals completely. Balanced baths stabilize the color and protect the delicate Angora fibers.
Clipped edges hold the fabric under precise width and tension. Heated airflow sets dimensions permanently, locking shape and stability into the textile. Massive heated rollers compress the fabric with controlled pressure. This calendaring step smooths the surface and enhances the luxurious Angora finish.
Laser systems measure every meter as the finished fabric advances. Automatic drums wind it into dense rolls, ready for bulk handling and storage.
Conditioning tunnels balance heat and humidity across the textile. This stabilizes the fibers, preventing stress before automated cutting begins.
Robotic systems identify and separate every garment component automatically. Sorted pieces are organized for rapid assembly on the next production lines. Automated sewing units stitch each panel with high-speed precision. Separate components quickly transform into complete Angora garment structures.
Linking machines close seams and reinforce every stress point automatically. Each garment gains strength and durability while maintaining soft Angora flexibility.
Large capacity drums wash and soften the assembled garments uniformly. This treatment enhances comfort, loft. High-capacity dryers circulate heated air through every tumbling garment. Moisture evaporates quickly, restoring volume and softness to the Angora fibers.
Steam formers relax the fibers and set each garment's final shape. Heat and tension ensure consistent sizing across every production batch. Automated trimmers remove loose threads and surface lint precisely. Each piece leaves this line clean, refined, and ready for final inspection.
Rotary brushing machines lift the Angora fibers to restore loft and softness. This step enhances texture.
High-powered extraction systems remove loose fibers and airborne lint. The garments leave cleaner, smoother, and ready for precision finishing.
Machine vision scanners inspect every garment for defects and inconsistencies. Only flawless. Robotic sewing units automatically correct detected flaws and reinforce weak seams. Precision repairs.
Controlled heat and humidity stabilize the fabric structure after stitching. This thermal setting locks shape and size for long-term durability.
Automated folding robots shape every garment into consistent retail form. Uniform sizing improves.
High-pressure steam presses set the final shape and structure of each garment. This step delivers a crisp, uniform finish at true industrial scale. Automated trimmers remove loose threads and excess fibers with precision. Each garment leaves the line clean, refined, and ready for final inspection.
Laser systems verify every measurement to maintain precise sizing standards.
Automated systems attach labels and branding with precise heat and stitching. Each garment receives its identity while maintaining high-speed production flow.
Polishing rollers and conditioning sprays enhance softness and visual richness. This luxury finishing step gives the fabric its premium market-ready feel.
Climate conditioning balances moisture and temperature across every garment. This controlled rest period stabilizes fibers and preserves long-term fabric quality.
Final inspection cameras examine texture, stitching, and surface consistency. Only flawless garments proceed forward, guaranteeing premium factory standards. Smart sensors count and organize garments into precise production batches. Automated grouping prepares consistent quantities for the next internal stage.
Protective covers shield each garment from dust and handling damage. This safeguard maintains cleanliness while preparing items for internal transfer. Completed garments are organized into staging racks in precise batches. Processing ends here, ready for the upcoming packaging and distribution phase. Automated systems test strength, stretch, and surface durability precisely. only garments meeting strict.
Each garment receives an RFID tag and unique production code. This enables full tracking, inventory control, and automated logistics at scale. Robotic folders align and compress each garment into precise shapes. Uniform folding speeds up packing while protecting the soft Angora texture. Automatic bagging machines wrap every folded garment in protective film. Sealed packaging keeps the Angora clean during storage and transportation.
Check weighers verify every package for precise weight and completeness. Smart sorters separate products automatically, preparing them for bulk boxing. Automatic erectors form cartons while robots load garments precisely inside. Boxes fill rapidly. Hydraulic presses compress each carton to reduce internal airspace. Denser packaging improves storage efficiency and lowers transportation volume significantly.
Order systems automatically retrieve pallets based on live demand data. Selected loads move from storage directly toward the outbound shipping lines. Outbound conveyors gather selected pallets into organized dispatch zones. Each load is scanned and assigned automatically for synchronized truck loading.
Dock systems align trailers precisely for rapid, automated loading. Pallets transfer driven. Gantry cranes load pallets into containers with precise, space-efficient stacking. Bulk shipments consolidate.
Containers are sealed, labeled, and digitally verified for shipment accuracy. Every load receives tracking.
Sealed containers transfer onto trailers for immediate outbound movement. The factory dispatch yard handles thousands of units in continuous rotation.
Each loaded truck passes through industrial scales for weight verification. Accurate measurements ensure safe transport and regulatory compliance before departure. Central logistics software coordinates every shipment in real time. Departure timing is optimized to maintain a constant, uninterrupted distribution flow.
Fully loaded convoys depart the facility around the clock. From this point, the finished Angora garments begin their global distribution journey.
From raw fiber to finished garments, every stage runs in synchronized automation. This control center
After leaving the factory, the garments reach premium retail stores. Here, customers can finally see and feel the finished Angora quality.
Shoppers examine the texture, softness, and craftsmanship up close. The premium feel instantly reflects the precision of the factory process.
Inside fitting rooms, the garments reveal their true comfort and fit. Soft fibers and precise tailoring create a warm, luxurious wearing experience.
After choosing their favorites, customers complete their purchases at checkout. Each piece is carefully packed, ready to go home with its new owner.
From factory lines to everyday life, the garments find their purpose, providing warmth, comfort, and style to people during cold seasons.
Designed for everyday life, the garments provide reliable warmth and comfort. From morning routines to busy days, they stay soft and dependable.
Lightweight yet warm, the fabric adapts to both work and daily wear. Comfort and elegance commune for all-day performance. From busy streets to outdoor gatherings, the garments keep warmth close. Comfort follows every moment, no matter where the day leads. At home, the softness feels even more comforting and warm. Designed not just for style, but for everyday relaxation and care. From raw fiber to finished wear, every step ensures lasting quality. Engineered with precision, delivered with comfort, trusted every day.